Hello friends, welcome to my channel. As this is my first video, I'm starting it from very basics, like what are the things that we need to consider for understanding the subject or for learning the subject very easily. Literally most of us feel chemistry one of the boring and difficult subject, right? But seriously, it is not. Chemistry is just fun. Undoubtedly, chemistry contains a lot of chemical formulas, difficult structures, heavy chemical reactions, but still there are some tricks that if we know that, then chemistry is one of the easiest subject for all of us. Right? Before moving to the tricks directly, first let's see what chemistry is, how chemistry relates to our lives, and what is the role of chemistry in our everyday life. So, chemistry is a branch of science that deals with study of matter, chemical composition, structure of chemical molecules, and investigation on chemical properties of various substances. Substances in the sense elements or molecules. Or simply we can define it as it is a branch of science that deals with study of matter and its properties. Now, matter means anything that has mass and occupy volume. Example, book, pen, pencil, water, etc. And its properties also. Properties includes both physical properties as well as chemical properties. Physical properties is physical appearance like shape, size, color, texture, freezing point, melting point, etc. comes under physical properties, whereas chemical properties means chemical makeup of a substance in which chemical reactions occur. Example, experiment in which water versus vinegar. Okay, here I am taking two beakers containing baking soda. Both in one beaker I am adding water, in another beaker I am adding vinegar. Chemical reaction starts. I am observing that the beaker in which baking soda with vinegar, in that carbon dioxide starts to begins up, whereas in another beaker with water there is no chemical reaction. So this is the example of chemical properties. Chemical properties includes chemical makeup of a substance in which chemical reactions occurs, and during chemical reactions new substances are formed which is different from original substances. Okay, chemistry cannot consider as a subject just to learn and write in exams, that's it. No, it is not like that. Instead, chemistry plays a very important role in our everyday life. Like our day itself starts with chemistry, meaning the toothpaste what we are using itself contains active ingredients like fluoride, flavor, sodium bicarbonate, salt, etc., which is chemical elements. Likewise, there are many examples which proves that chemistry plays a very important role in everyday life. Some of them is the food we eat relates chemistry, the air we breathe is chemistry, cleansing chemicals what we are using, soaps, detergents is related to chemistry. Even medicinal fields, the medicines what we are using for various diseases is chemistry itself. So basically everything is directly or indirectly related to chemistry only. So this much importance of chemistry is in our life as well. Chemistry is quite difficult, but there are some techniques, or we can say there are some fundamental concepts or some tricks that make chemistry easy. So basically there are 4 tricks that plays a very important role, or you can say on that 4 tricks chemistry depends. Okay, the trick 1 is knowing formulas, trick 2 knowing periodic table of elements, trick 3 remembering structure of chemical molecules, and the last but not least trick 4 is most commonly theory part. So this was my video on introduction and importance of chemistry in our life. Now tricks to remember will be my next video. Do subscribe my channel and press bell icon to receive further notifications. Thank you.